Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, the Alco Capitalist. Today is Monday, July the 2nd, 2018. This is going to be a shortened trading week because of the 4th of July, which is happening in the middle of the week on Wednesday. So I expect to see continued light volume with very, very little activity and range-bound markets. Let me just pull up the daily so you can take a look at what I mean by that. We should probably see a couple narrow range inside days strung together. All right, here's your daily chart. As you can see, you're really just trading within a range. The range from June the 27th that was made, we're pretty much just trading inside that range. No real trending at this point. Overall, you're still in a downtrend channel, so all rallies should continue to be sold. All right, but I'm expecting that you probably won't see too much activity going forward. This, of course, is a chart of the Russell futures. If we switch over to the Dow futures, you should notice that it's going to be a similar price pattern. All right, you can see here, market's going nowhere. It's just whipping back and forth, positive and negative. So as you can see, just up and down markets, whipsawing all over the place, down and then up, and then down and then up. As you can see here, it's up, then it's down, then it's up, then it's down. Really not going anywhere, trading inside of June the 25th trading range. That's all you see where prices is acting at. And pretty much all the closes have been pretty much, the majority of the closes have been right there at that close also. So the markets really have not moved since it got from June 27th. We've really gone nowhere. But it's trading in a tight range bound market. Overall downtrend channel is still in effect and intact, has not been broken. Taking a look at the NASDAQ 100, similar thing going on here. All right, for the most part, range bound market. As you can see, we're staying within June the 25th trading range as well. Jumping over to Bitcoin, which did see a surge today, but for the most part, that market is still way down. Let's see here. Okay, so there was a huge surge today. It was up over 700 points. And as you can see here, we hit that low of 57.55. Okay, so put in a low here. And then we still got to take care of filling this gap. And then you have another gap today. And it made it up to the intermediate trend line resistance, all right, at 6,600 zone. So I do see this at some point being sold, and then the market should come back down. It needs to fill these two gaps, all right? And you're in an overbought position right now, but it's like it wants to try to lock in and run back up to the 7,400, which is the trend line resistance up here. So this is looking interesting. If it shoots straight up without filling those two gaps, then we know it's going to be a spike run with the market reversal that eventually takes us back down here and possibly even putting in another new low. However, if it pulls back immediately and fills these two gaps, then we should have a possible support base built for a real major rally, which will move up to the trend line resistance. So it's an interesting place where the Bitcoin futures have found itself. All right, taking a look at gold futures. All right, the market's just been in a straight down trend channel with momentum gaining and every rally along the way being sold here, here, and possibly here. Taking a look at silver. All right, it broke into the $15 handle and looking rather weak as well. Taking a look here at crude oil. Crude oil is holding out around the $74 range. All right, I think it's going to give at least one more pop up, break into the 75, maybe even the 76 handle before we see any kind of major correction. But right now, the momentum is still on the bullish side and it's still intact. All right, so that's pretty much it for right now. Just not a lot going on at the moment. So remember postwavetrading.com. You can learn how to trade these markets. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. See you over at the trading room. Peace.